This video from Red Heart will show how to cast on. After the slip knot, the next step is to cast on, or place stitches onto the knitting needle. This method is easy for beginners. Place both knitting needles inside of the slip knot and pull to tighten gently. Scoop the yarn with your thumb. Then, hold the strand in your hand. Place the needles underneath the yarn. Release, then gently tighten. Repeat. Scoop the yarn with your thumb. Place both needles underneath the yarn. Release, then tighten gently. At this point, there are 4 cast-on stitches. The initial slip knot counts as stitch number 1. There are 20 loops in this finished sample. Remove 1 needle to begin knitting. This video was brought to you by Red Heart at redheart.com.